Today we'll be showing an application for cleaning parts with weld burn and/or discoloration. This can be seen on many metals. Today we'll be showing burns on mild steel. When welding sheet metal, discoloration or burning may transfer to the opposite side of the sheet metal that is being welded. This needs to be cleaned for aesthetic or practical reasons such as promoting paint adhesion. Due to the variety of weld burn severity, Scotch-Brite Precision provides a broad range of grades to meet your job's needs by offering a balance of aggressiveness and paintable finish requirements. Scotch-Brite Precision surface conditioning discs are designed to clean and remove weld discoloration without damaging or undercutting the sheet metal. Scotch-Brite Precision surface conditioning discs offer conformability and a large footprint to produce a uniform and consistent finish. When leveling is not as critical, Scotch-Brite Clean and Strip XT Pro and Scotch-Brite Clean and Strip XT Pro Extra Cut provide a conformable and yet durable offering as well.